To make a simple shell edge or a scalloped edge, what we do is we join our yarn, or we use our yarn that we're working with. So I'm going to join this one just here. So I'm going to insert my hook at the top of that chain 3, and I'm going to pull my yarn through. I'm going to wrap my tail of my yarn over and round to the front just to hold it in place while I begin the work. So you attach your yarn as you please. I find this a really neat way to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to skip 2, chains 1, 2, and we're going to do 5 double crochets into the 3rd chain here. So 1, 2 we're skipping, and then 5 into the 3rd. So yarn over and we'll make our double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now we're going to skip 2, 1, 2. Now I'm going to slip stitch just to give it a crisper curve. So what I've done is skip 2 and insert my hook into the 3rd one along here, the chain, pull up my yarn and then pull through again, just to give it a crisper curve. If you prefer, make a single crochet. So now we're going to skip 2 again, so 1, 2, and into the 3rd here we're going to do 5 double crochets again. 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then skip 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to slip stitch into this chain. So you can already see I've got some beautiful shells here, and it's sitting very neatly with our work. And this is just an example with double crochets here, USA terminology there. And this could make a beautiful edging to something you've made, like a top or even a blanket. So what we're going to do next is we're going to continue our shell and make another one. So we're going to put 5 double crochets into the 3rd chain. So 1, 2, 3. 4 and 5. Then we're going to skip 2 and into the 3rd here we're just going to slip stitch. And if this was a bigger item we'd obviously continue, but this is just a little sample to show you. And that's how you make a shell edge or a scalloped edge. I'd love to know what projects you try this on.